Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your phone is charging, unlocked, and using the original USB cable so negotiation works. Next, enable mobile data. Tethering needs a live connection, then make sure airplane mode is off. If your carrier restricts tethering, you may see no option. Contact them later. Once done, restart both phone and computer to clear drivers and background blockers. This eliminates most software hiccups quickly, so you can proceed to deeper settings with a clean state. You now focus on drivers and phone USB mode. On the computer, open Device Manager and look for unknown USB or network adapters. Update drivers or uninstall, then reconnect to force reinstall. On the phone, go to Settings, Network or Connections, then Tethering and Portable Hotspot. Toggle USB tethering while plugged in. If it fails, change the phone's USB configuration between charging, file transfer, and RNDIS or USB tethering modes, because the wrong mode prevents the PC from recognizing network interfaces. You finish by enabling the new network adapter on the computer and ensuring it uses DHCP so the phone assigns an IP automatically. Manual IPs often block connectivity. Disable VPNs, firewalls, or security apps briefly because they can block new networks. If tethering still won't turn on, swap components. Try another USB port, another cable, a different phone, or another computer to isolate whether the phone, cable, or PC is at fault. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.